This is an installation video for our 280ZX aluminum front grille. This grill is designed to work with the Skillard aluminum front bumper and the OEM air dam. However, we have tried it with a factory front bumper and one of the more popular fiberglass air dams. It does work with that depending on the aftermarket air dam you have. You may or may not need to make some modifications, but we were able to install it on one of the more popular ones, like I said, without modification. When you are using the factory front bumper, you will need to drill a couple holes, but we'll get into that as we start putting this on. So one of the things is the lower brackets. There's a left and a right, and on the OEM valance you have this little guy right here that this will line up to. We'll give you some new hardware. You can screw that in. It does adjust up and down, and then depending on the rake you want on the grill, you can see there it's slotted. So, oops, dropped it. The base of the grill can adjust in or out. The top of the grill, if we can see it, and we got light, there it is. So attaches to these slotted holes in the bottom of the Skillard aluminum front bumper. If you were trying to install this on a factory 280Z front bumper, you could still attach it to the bottom of the bumper, but you would need to align it and then drill a hole and then fasten it that way. So I'll go ahead and get the brackets put on and get the grill put into place. It's notched in so your tow hooks can still come out, and the grill won't interfere with those. Okay, so we've got the grill installed and the hardware tightened up. We have a few helpers. We have a dog helper, and then we've got some other helpers that came to visit. So anyway, here we are with the grill all installed. Again, this is attached to our aluminum bumper, but you can see the stainless button head that's going up through there. There's a nut that we tightened on the inside. We've got our bracket that's mounted, along with the lower part of the bracket that's mounted to the grill and locks this whole thing in. These are available from Skillard.com.